Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel MA Learning. Today we will learn how to write essay on pollution. So let's start. Pollution. An urban man is being affected gravely by pollution. All metropolitan cities have been the victims of this monster. The problem of pollution is being worsened by uncontrolled migration of the people from villages and towns to cities. Also, there is industrial pollution and vehicular pollution. The air pollution, the water pollution and the noise pollution have given us serious diseases such as high blood pressure, asthma, skin problems and respiratory disorders. Small children who live in the polluted area of the cities are the most unsuspecting victims of pollution. There are many factors which are responsible for pollution. Industrial production in big cities releases many poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide. The industrial waste is polluting the water of the rivers and oceans. The coastal waters have been polluted by the discharge of sewage and harbour waste. The silence is disturbed by the noisy machines, vehicles and loud music blaring from stereos. In fact, the danger of pollution has become universal and the very future of mankind is in great danger if proper steps are not taken to check this menace. The government is trying to minimize pollution in thickly populated areas of big cities of the country. In most of the states, lead-free petrol is being provided. In big cities, the vehicle owners have to get their vehicles checked every 3 months to ensure that the pollution is under control. Also, many factories and small industrial have been shifted and are being shifted from the congested areas to safe places. Many other steps are being taken by the authorities who are fully aware of the menace of pollution. However, this problem can be solved if all persons take steps to keep their environment pollution free. Then only the efforts of government and non-governmental agencies in controlling pollution will bear fruit. Thanks for watching.